Hey everybody, walking you through installing Cura 4.5. Okay, it's pretty straightforward. You go to the 3dnexus.com website and grab the installation package, save it to a folder of your choice, and once it downloads, you are going to unarchive it. And next we're going to install Cura. Go to the Cura site, download Cura. And begin the install. Your installation might take a little bit longer. I sped up part of the video. And once it finishes, we are going to copy the folders from the installation over to the resource folders where Cura is installed. We'll show you that in just a second here. In our case, it went to the default, which is in your program files directory under Multimaker Cura 4.5. You'll see there's a resources folder. That's where we're going to be putting this stuff. We're going to select the folders as shown and copy them over to that resource folder. And replace any files in the destination if necessary. You may get an administrator prompt. Just go ahead and put the check there, tell it to go ahead and do it, and then you're done with that part of it. Next thing we're going to do is fire up Cura. Fresh installation, you'll come to this screen. You go right down to Artillery. And if you have a Sidewinder or a Genius, you'll select either. Click Next. In due time, you'll see the shadow of the printer show up on the screen. And next, let's get those profiles installed. Go up to Settings. It's under Manage Printers. You'll go and select Profiles. And go to Import, and in the folder where you unarchived the package, there will be a series of profile files. There they are. There's 4 of them. You'll install them as shown. Each are the same, but you have to install them individually. In the home stretch, folks. And activate one of the profiles. And as you see, default Cura actually has very minimal options for you, so we're going to change that. Go to the Manage Profiles again. This is going to be under Settings. You want to check that box there to allow all settings to be visible. That's pretty much it for the installation. As you can see, you have now specific profiles, quality profiles for the printer in question. In this case, we did the Sidewinder. And you'll also notice in a moment here, I'll sneak over and show you. You also have nozzle options. There's all your nozzles. And in the event that you want to, say for example, install another printer, and in this case we have a Genius as well, so we're going to install the Genius too. The great thing about this package is I've created profiles to work with both printers. So in this case you just select Genius, go ahead and add, next, and there's the Genius. That's really all there is to it, folks. It doesn't get any harder than that. Anyways, I hope this answered some questions for you people out there. Enjoy.